All right, hello everybody. Welcome to Cooking Typical Hawaiian Style with your man Kikomon right here. We just caught some mahi. I just caught some mahi on my first solo mission on the Typical Hawaiian Fishing Adventure. We cut it up and we're going to show you how we cook it now. All right, we cut it in slabs like this. We cleaned and cut the fish and skinned it, but I still have this part on, so you gotta pull this off for sure. It's the top fin. And we're gonna cut it off the bone, one half there and one half there, both sides of the mahi. Okay, we're gonna cut it alongside the bone here, so we can get our mahi slab. Just like that. I'm gonna put this bugger on the pan. Okay, so this is how it looks when you cut it off the bone. Right like that. You cut it along the bone, you got your mahi slab right there. Then we're gonna put it on the pan. Continuing on. Alright, now we're gonna show you how we cook this bugger. This mahi. I put on my special mahi shirt, so you can call me the Mahi man. The mahi colors. Going with that. Put our mahi here. We're gonna cook it with our olive oil, organic olive oil. We're gonna slice the bota, and then we're gonna top it off with some crusted magnati. All right. Now for our olive oil. Get it in there. Get it all around. And then we're gonna slice our bota. Yeah, bota. It's your preference how much bota you want. Get that bugger going. Get it in there, get it in there. Let it melt first, then we're gonna put our mahi on there. Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. All right, now that our butter is melted, we're gonna put our mahi in there. One more thing. I like to put garlic powder on top of it as well. Okay. All right, you might want to add some garlic salt, but I just add the garlic powder for the flavor and get the natural flavors from this mahi. Mahi has its own unique flavor. That's what makes it a unique, delicious fish. Gonna huli that bugger. Both sides with the bota. Look at that. And of course, we're gonna put some garlic powder on there. Give it that flavor that we want. Okay, cook that bugger. You don't need to cook it super good. As long as you cook it thoroughly through. You don't want to overcook it. It's going to get hard and you're going to lose the flavor and the juices. It's fresh mahi, so it's going to be nice and moist. You want it nice and moist, and fresh, and still soft. Alright. Okay, we're going to huli one more time. Flip this bugger over. Medium heat. And then you can see it's cooking through. Yep, cooking through nicely. Medium heat. And then time to eat. Once it's just about ready, give it about one more minute. 45 seconds, one more minute on the plate. Ready to eat. Okay, here we go. Top it all off, Bring this bugger out. It is ready. Scoop them right on there. Then, of course, our mac nut. Top it off with the crusted mac nut. Nut flavor. Hold on there. Let's get our rice and time to eat. Time for grinds. Cooking Typical Hawaiian Style. Let's go.